Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this snowflake that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to take some of my clear glitter paint and I'm going to go around and do all of the edges of the snowflake. I'm going to do everything but the center. It's kind of hard to see it on here on video, but it does end up coming out really, really sparkly. And you can get this paint at Hobby Lobby, or I just saw it the other day at Dollar Tree and ended up grabbing a couple bottles of it as well. Once I have that all painted and it's all dry, I'm going to take this ornament from Walmart, and it's just a flat metal ornament, and they're only 98 cents. And I'm going to cut off the hanger, and then I'm going to glue that right to the center of the snowflake. So I'm just going to put some glue around the middle here, and I used quite a bit of it because I don't want this to pop back off. And then I'm just going to lay that right in the center, making sure that I get it nice and centered. And then just kind of hold it down and adjust it as I am looking at it to make sure that it is perfectly centered. Then I'm going to take some greenery that I also got at Walmart, and I just cut off a couple of pieces off of the pick, and I'm going to add those to the very top up here. So I'm just going to add some glue and then lay those down. Once I have those in place, I'm going to take this bow that I made, and I used some green velvet ribbon, and I also used a white glitter ribbon, and I'm going to add that right to the center of this greenery. Just kind of adjusting my bow and the tails, trimming them if they need to be. Make sure that they're even on both sides. And fix my little loops here. And then in the center of the bow, I'm going to add a silver bell. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue in the center here and then put that bell down. And I think this turned out so super cute. I absolutely love it. And it was really easy to make. And the snowflakes are not very expensive. I think it was like $5.99 with 50% off. And then the dollar ornament from Walmart, and it makes it a very inexpensive project that you can leave out all winter long. And I love the vintage vibe of the ornament on the snowflake with the vintagey style bow using the velvet ribbon. I think just everything came together so perfectly. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.